Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI MAG 272 UP QD OLED X24, a gaming monitor that honestly feels like a full visual upgrade the second you turn it on. The first time I saw it running, the colors and contrast were so impressive that it genuinely looked more like digital art than a normal display. This monitor features a 26.5-inch 4K QD OLED panel, and the image quality is absolutely stunning. The 4th generation QD OLED tech delivers incredibly deep blacks, sharp highlights, and color accuracy that feels true to life right out of the box, making it perfect not just for gaming, but also for editing, movies, and everyday use. Performance is just as insane. With a 240 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, gameplay feels unbelievably smooth, especially in competitive shooters or fast action titles. Motion blur is basically gone, and adaptive sync keeps everything stable with no tearing or stuttering. MSI also includes OLED Care 2, which adds built-in protection features to reduce burn-in risk over time, giving extra peace of mind for long-term use. Overall, the MSI MAG 272 UP QD OLED X24 delivers breathtaking visuals, elite speed, and a premium experience that makes your entire setup feel next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.